Hello guys, come back again with me. In this video, I will show you how to animate the animals. For example, walking, idle, jumping, and others. Because some of you still have difficulty to doing it. And first thing you have to prepare, you must have 3D object, which is the animals. And make sure the animals already has a rig or already has an animation. Because to shorten the processing time, but if you want to manually animate the animals, like moving the leg one by one, that will take a time and that is not efficient. But don't worry, there are a lot of them. Just search it. Like you can see here, I already prepared the animals. And to make it easier for me to explain, I will just bring my camera closer to the screen and I will show you the step. Okay? Like you can see here, I already 5 animals, and today I will move the buffalo. Maybe yes, this is the buffalo, and I will enable the overlay here, or you just can press Shift plus Alt plus C, and then the bone is showing, or the rig, like you can see here. And I will done it in solid preview here, and this is the material preview. And first thing, you must click the object here, and then make sure the buffalo is parent to empty, like you can see in the outliner here. This is the empty. If you expand, you can see here, this is the rig or the bone, and this is the skin, like you can see buffalo. And you must move the empty, like you see. I will change the shape of the empty here. Just go to the properties and then choose empty, plain X. Maybe I will change to spare, and here, like you can see, this is spare is showing. And to animate the buffalo, just change the from timeline to non-linear animation, and then click here, non-linear animation, and click here, and only buffalo is showing to timeline, and then click here and press Shift plus A here, Shift plus A, and the search bar is show, and then type buffalo, and I'm gonna choose walk here. Oops, you make sure you must click on the NL track and do it again, Shift plus A, buffalo, type buffalo, and here buffalo walk, and the buffalo. And if I press play, the buffalo will walk, and I will show in material preview, and then press play, or just press space. But this animation is too short, and I'm gonna duplicate the animation. You can go to, or just here, you can click the arrow, little arrow, or you can just press N on the keyboard, and then the properties is show. Press the animation and come back again to the here, press strip, scroll down, and then action clip, and then increase repeat. I'm gonna increase, like you can see the animation is expanding, and our buffalo is moving. And yeah, that's it for today. Bye bye.